Hi guys, I'm Gianni of SETTOREZERO.com. Today I received this package from PCBWay. Many of you knows they are manufacturing high quality PCBs for projects we are showing on my blog. This package is a special one since PCBWay is celebrating the 6th anniversary and they produced some gadgets for this event. Let's see together what this box contains. Okay, let's open. A pen. Oh, some 60 years anniversary PCBWay stickers. Oh. A ruler. There are standard footprints for a lot of components. Wow. This is really cute. The badge requires some assembly. Take the pin and separate two parts. You must solder the pin on this spot. Pin here. I put a small blob of solder on the pin base and here. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is the best design I've seen in a while. Really beautiful one. Those gadgets are available on the PCBWay free gift shop section. You can obtain them using beans or coupons you might earn in different ways, sharing your projects, leaving feedback, making reviews and so on. There are a lot of interesting objects. Next time you need a high-quality manufacturing service for your PCBs, consider PCBWay. There are real people behind it giving you all the assistance you need for your project. They care a lot about knowledge sharing and customer satisfaction. Happy birthday, PCBWay!